Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this stunning indoor plant stand from Dragosum. It is a set of 2 crescent-shaped metal stands with tiers to hold your plants and to even hang your plants off of. We are plant enthusiasts in this house, and I cannot overstate how stunning this is. It is quite large, being about 65 inches high, but it's easy to move. It has wheels on the bottom. That means that you can display it in multiple rooms with ease. And we just love to place additional decorations on, like electric tea lights, and it just gives such a cozy feel at night with the lights on. It's just a stunning piece of room decor. It took about 3 hours in total to put together, and I do recommend having another person assist you, and then you can cut that time in half. And I also recommend using a power drill just to speed up the process. It is just so beautiful. I love how my plants look on it. I can't recommend it enough. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.